In the 21st century, with the emergence of such a digitally technological age, our teaching methods and tools have needed to be revamped. Computers, software, and smartboards have been researched, purchased, and used in the classroom with the intention of creating more effective student engagement. Now, with the availability of touchscreen technologies, we are given the opportunity to allow students to be in control of their learning, not simply watch the educator utilize the toys. We are also given a new job as educators: teach students how to use all information and tools available to them for the purposes of improving themselves and the world around them. Use their iPhones, cameras, computers, internet, and iPads to educate themselves, connect to the world, and find solutions to problems larger than themselves. While I'm prepared to do just that, certain tools would be necessary for proper and effective implementation. Given a classroom set of iPad or iPad minis, I would not only be able to demonstrate effective inquiry and problem-solving skills critical to learning science, I would also reach students in all areas of multiple intelligences. Linguistics students would benefit not only by having access to periodicals and magazines from all over the world, but by having these resources at their fingertips. These students would also have access to various applications for typing practice, referencing information, and building vocabulary. Logical mathematics students would be able to access application to aid in studying various math skills, have a portable spreadsheet to quickly organize data and create graphs for labs and science fair projects, and physically manipulate the creation of otherwise unattainable aspects of science such as atomic particles. Spatial intelligence learners would be aided by the ability to manipulate virtual globes like in Google Earth, exhibiting their creativity through various drawing and art applications, and create engaging presentations for their classmates using animation applications and websites. Bodily kinesthetic learners would have complete control of their learning at their fingertips. They would have access to hundreds of virtual 3D anatomy and simulation applications and websites, the ability to become their learning through virtual reality activities and applications, and utilize nearly all their senses for better retention. Naturalist intelligence students would have access to even the most remote areas of nature. By utilizing virtual reality software, these learners can take a tour of the Arctic, rainforest, and ocean depths without leaving their seats. They can study these ecosystems, the fragility of them, and how to save life in even the most endangered areas. In using these tools, with the aid of a classroom set of iPads or iPad minis, my students would take control of their learning, collaborate not simply with each other, but students all over the world, problem solve on the local and global levels, and learn how to use the abundance of information easily accessible for the improvement of themselves and life around them.